Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PhantomBuster for LinkedIn data tasks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable PhantomBuster for LinkedIn data tasks, start by visiting the PhantomBuster website. Create an account if you haven't already done so. Log in to your PhantomBuster account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on Create a new Phantom to access the library of automated tasks. Search for the LinkedIn section to find relevant phantoms. Select the specific LinkedIn phantom that meets your needs, such as LinkedIn Profile Scraper or LinkedIn Search Export. Click on the phantom to view detailed instructions and requirements. Read through the prerequisites listed for your selected phantom. Next, install the PhantomBuster Chrome extension if you haven't done so already. Once the extension is installed, log into your LinkedIn account. Open PhantomBuster again and return to the phantom you selected. You will need to set up the API connection by retrieving your LinkedIn cookie. Follow the on-screen instructions to get your LinkedIn cookie. Copy your LinkedIn cookie and return to PhantomBuster. Paste the cookie into the designated field in the phantom setup. Now, configure the input settings for your phantom. This may involve entering specific URLs or adjust the scheduling and duration settings as necessary for your task automation. After customizing the settings, click on Save. To run the phantom, click on the Launch button. Monitor the execution progress on the dashboard. Once the task is complete, check the results to ensure data has been captured successfully. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section in the PhantomBuster documentation. With these steps, you are now ready to enable PhantomBuster for LinkedIn data tasks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.